Hello guys, this is my Vivo Y11 and this is the default notification system bar, and this video I'm talking about how to sense notification bar in Vivo Y11, and this is the new notification bar in Vivo Y11. Now let's see how to get this.
Fix your trouble within 3 minutes. We are here to solve your problem. This is called IT Magics.
First of all, just go to the Google Play Store and search here MI Control Center. And this is the apps. Now you have to install. Just click on the install, and these apps also smoothly work in Vivo Y11. Now open the apps. And these apps also require dual SIM accessibility and notification permission to run the apps. Now just turn on the dual SIM permission. Just click on allow, then check the accessibility. Now tap on the MI Control Center, then turn on, then OK. It's done. This is the last one is notification. Finally turn on the notification. Just check on the MI Control Center, then allow, and finally the apps is activated. Just click OK, then OK, and you can change some brightness here. You have to allow the permission. Just allow modifying system settings and go back. It's working. Now you can change background color, transparency, all of everything here. Just change the transparency. Yes, it's working. You can customize your notification system as like as you. Thanks for watching. If you really like my video, please subscribe my channel. Sorry for my bad English.